to Jenny Kitchen. Jenny is about to do our curry goat. I'm burning the curry. Oh my god, I'm burning the curry. So I'm about to put it in the pot. So, yep. I'm about to put it in the pot. Let me put it in the pot. Good one. Yep. So I already burned the curry. I like to burn my curry. So I put it in the pot a bit big one. You know? Yeah. So now I'm gonna cover it a bit. Not pressure it, just cover it and let it go on. Look so. And then over here I am doing my fried chicken. So number one, drumstick. Number two, and I'm gonna do it with some white rice. The girls that you want. Because you don't want rice and peas, you want white rice, curry goat and white rice with some seasoning. Right? Oh yeah? So she is my camera woman, my camera girl. Right there, so granddaughter? Yes, so me and her working together. Right? Over here, I'm going to do some fried vegetables like the lettuce, the tomatoes, and I like to put potato with my curry goat. So, yeah. So after just finishing task, I will show you all. Peace out. Peace out.